Hey everyone, this is Tech Trends, and today we're diving into the world of high-end gaming keyboards. ASUS sent me their latest and most expensive model yet. Is it worth the $500 price tag? Let's find out together. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing experience. Inside, you'll find the keyboard, a premium wrist rest, a couple of wireless dongles, and some other accessories. Everything feels high quality right out of the box. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of this keyboard. My first impression is that it's surprisingly heavy and well built. It's made of machined aluminum, not just your basic tray mount. There's also a cool knob that lets you switch between soft and hard typing modes. The 2.4 GHz dongle is neatly hidden behind a back badge, and the keyboard features a sharp color screen for various functions. The keyboard is solidly built with machined aluminum and feels incredibly sturdy. The pre-lubed stabilizers and ROG snow switches provide a fantastic typing experience. Features like the adjustable leaf spring gaskets and the high-resolution color screen add a unique touch. It claims to offer 8,000 Hz polling rate over wireless, making it one of the fastest wireless keyboards available. At $500, it's one of the most expensive gaming keyboards on the market. ASUS Armory Crate is slow and laggy, with limited macro binding options and frequent errors. The RGB lighting is not as bright as expected for a gaming keyboard. This is an outdated design choice that can cause issues with some keycap profiles. The heavily textured keycaps might not be everyone's preference. The keyboard is priced at $499. This steep price is justified by its build quality and unique features, but it also places it out of reach for many gamers. If you have the budget and are looking for something unique and high quality, it might be worth considering. In conclusion, the ASUS keyboard is a mix of innovation and premium features, but it comes at a steep price. If you're an enthusiast with the budget for it, this could be the keyboard for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, and check out my new song linked below. See you next time.